and then either put that impact in my top chest or put it in my dad's toolbox or his roll cart. And then instead of buying oil that's meant for air impacts, just use the air compressor oil because my dad said it would be okay. Well, I mean my dad, which is mine and my brother's dad. Just so you guys know. But yeah. Oh, something I forgot. For now at least. I need to put this back up here. But then I need to find it. Magnet. Or I got a better idea. Until I can get magnets. Put the impacts right there. And then put a little extra weight on top. Put this. And then on top of that, put my socket rails on top of my top chest. And then put the brush and the sockets that are in this container on the top chest as well, which then I still need to get more of that spray, and honestly just let them soak overnight or something like I've already said. And then after that, wash them and then clean them with shop towels again. So yeah. Yeah guys, I gotta keep those shop towels right there for now because I got those sockets in that little container and the brush and the socket rails that had those sockets on, but I need to get more of that spray to clean the sockets even more. But yeah, it's a brutal process and it will be a while till I get it done because I gotta get more of it like I've already said. But then I'm gonna let them soak overnight whenever I get more of that spray. And then on top of that, for now, I'm just going to put this multi-purpose tool that my brother bought me for Christmas that I opened right when I got it because I am patient, because with tools, when I buy new stuff, even if it's Christmas related or birthday related, put that right there for now and I'll bother with this sometime else. But at least I will close this thing up, lock it up, and put the wrap over it so that it's covered, so just in case if it rains, it has no problems. But yeah, this thing is a behemoth. It weighs quite a bit. Let me grab this magnet. Thought I had another magnet in my pocket. I guess not. Ooh. Let's get put that hang it there for now until I get this on here. But then I hope you guys understand. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube, upload YouTube videos, make YouTube shorts, and then upload those either through the YouTube app of uploading and live streaming, or recording them on my phone and then making live streams either on my phone or on the PlayStation. But bye guys, peace, I'm out.